Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Then choose voice option, and here we got voice match. And now tap switcher to activate your Hey Google. Then need give access to your assistant with Hey Google, tap next and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Press continue and not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.